Health Watch is presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. Here, caring for you.
Hip and knee replacement is one of the most successful procedures that we do in all of medicine today because of the profound pain relief and the improved function it provides for patients with advanced arthritis. Traditionally, people have been admitted to the hospital and spend a night or more in the hospital, and with the rapid recovery protocols and improved anesthesia and improved pain control pathways, people now recover faster and faster. The vast majority of people spend one night in the hospital, but for patients who are very motivated and don't want to spend even a night in the hospital and prepare appropriately, we are now offering same-day surgery where they have a hip or a knee replacement and go home the same day as the operation.